Hey guys, I look a little crazy, but I'm in the bathroom getting ready. I thought that I'd just take you guys along with me and my husband Jacob as we are practicing social distancing this weekend. Today is Saturday, March 14th, and you know what is going around. I can't say it by name because of YouTube filtering things out, but with that going on, we are doing some social distancing. We live in Portland, Oregon, and it was just announced I think on like maybe Wednesday evening that the governor was banning all gatherings of more than 250 people, and then it was announced on Thursday that we'd be shutting down schools for the next 2 weeks, which one of those weeks is already spring break. So through like the end of the month, through the end of March, we're not having any sort of school gatherings. So everyone's just been doing like social distancing, practicing. And we actually Jacob went to Costco Thursday night, which was insane. And then we also did Walmart grocery pickup yesterday, which was also insane. We got like only 2/3 of what we actually had on our list. Stores have been crazy, as I'm sure a lot of you guys have also experienced. But we now have like enough stuff ready for 2-3 weeks, whatever, you know, we may need, or longer, I don't know. But today we're starting that social distancing practice and we're just hanging out at home. But to start off, I was like, even though I'm not going to see anyone today, I actually need to like get ready so that I feel more productive and like can get things done. So I'm going to be doing my hair and makeup this morning. Also worth mentioning, it is currently snowing and we don't often get snow in Portland. So it's kind of a big deal, but of course no one's talking about it because there's bigger things happening. So look at the pretty snow outside. It's so peaceful in the midst of all of this chaos. This is my peaceful morning. Also to mention, I am 30 weeks pregnant today, which is crazy. Here, washing my hands. And also like another reason why I'm taking this really seriously. I really don't want to get sick while I'm pregnant, and I would really love for this to all subside before I have to go to the hospital to give birth in 10 weeks. So in late May. I don't think anyone knows how long this is going to be, but I want to definitely take all the precautions I can so that like we as a community can take care of each other and like maybe get through this sooner. I don't know. But it definitely does kind of sort of freak me out being pregnant and all of this stuff going on. I'm not gonna lie.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me.
Okay, now that I straightened my hair, I put it back up because I'm going to go do some cleaning. Want to like wipe down all sorts of like high traffic areas, light switches, doorknobs, all those fun sorts of things in the house. And then another thing on the agenda today is to clean up the office. It's bad. It's just full of junk. And Jacob and I are going to be working from home this week, so we need to be able to like actually work at our desks. So that is also on our to-do list for today.
Girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around.
While I'm working on my computer, getting some editing done, Jacob is over here painting the rest of our walls and hanging some pictures. It's been a productive day, huh, Jake? So Jacob got a lot of stuff hung up for us, including these pictures that I ordered from Target to be in the hallway, and this cute little laundry sign for the laundry room. And we've also been finishing our like guest bathroom. So he hung that up. We had that at our apartment, so we just moved it over. And then we added a curtain to this area. It's kind of hard to see. I wonder if you can see it better in the mirror. There's like shelves behind here that are just all open. So we have a curtain to kind of close it off so it's not sticking out. Speaking of sticking out, we're going for a nice walk through the neighborhood.
Oh yeah.
Keeping our distance from everyone.
Oh yeah. Look at this view, Marissa. Turn it around.
Springtime, all the trees are looking pretty.
So pretty.
When you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself. Cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing. But I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around.
So here's the finished product of the office. It's definitely looking a lot better, all picked up. Obviously still have my lights and then just trash that I need to take out, but I cannot believe just how filthy this room was. So it feels good to have it all picked up and ready to now be like productive for work at home. Okay, we're having our quarantine dinner, which consists of chicken nuggets and tater tots. Well, it's now officially work from home day, so I'm sitting here at my desk getting ready to log on and get going and get to work. I have all the essentials with me. This is my dual monitor setup for the time being. And then I have tissues here and my water, lotion, because all that hand washing, chapstick, and some cereal for breakfast. Well, it's me from the future as I'm sitting at my desk editing this video, and I realized I didn't end it, so thanks so much for hanging out and joining me. As a prep for social distancing and quarantine time, things definitely got more serious as time went on since I filmed this video, so I'm definitely going to be sharing more vlogs of just like day in the life coming here soon of being pregnant and in quarantine, because what a crazy time to be pregnant. So if you're not subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.
Girl, I know what's bothering me.